Namaste friend. Today I will show LED blinking experiment. In last video, LED blinking simulation done through Tinkercad software. But now today, LED blinking simulation and experiment done through mBlock software. All these Tinkercad, mBlock, Scratch Junior softwares used in every school for coding and decoding. And coding part is very important. आप अपने बच्चों को भी पढ़ा सकते हो. And all these softwares are open source, freely available over the Google Net. You can download, install, and do the coding part.
टुडे विल स्टार्ट mBlock कोडिंग. mBlock सॉफ्टवेयर एक बच्चों के लिए बनाया गया सॉफ्टवेयर है जहाँ पे हम कोडिंग पढ़ सकते हैं, प्रोग्राम बना सकते हैं. इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल वन. इट इज़ easy for coding purpose if you are beginner in any field or in robotics. Use mBlock coding. mBlock is a versatile programming. First, open it. It is graphical programming environment based on Scratch 2.0. It is open source. ये ओपन सोर्स है, फ्रीली अवेलेबल है गूगल सर्च इंजन के ऊपर. आप उसको डाउनलोड करके इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. और यहाँ पे आप फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड का स्टूडेंट भी यहाँ पे कोडिंग कर सकता है. इट विल क्रिएट क्रिएटिविटी. इट सपोर्ट मल्टीपल हार्डवेयर. आई विल शो वन बाय वन. So this is the workspace where we can design the code. First, go to device and add Arduino Uno. डिवाइस लाइब्रेरी में आपको बहुत सारे डिवाइसेस मिलेंगे. आपको जिस भी डिवाइसेस के ऊपर कोड बनाना है आप उसको सेट कर सकते हैं. So I will select Arduino Uno. Okay. Please observe Arduino Uno device is connected. अब आपको वर्क स्पेस में वन बाय वन लूप को ऐड करते करते आपको कोड डिजाइन करना है. So first go to event and select when Arduino Uno start up. आप जो भी कोड डिजाइन करेंगे उसको लेना पड़ता है, लूप लेना पड़ता है, when Arduino Uno start up. When Arduino Uno start up, you must start Arduino Uno for programming. So first select it. It will execute following instruction. Now second, go to control. Choose forever. We want LED blinking code. So that purpose we choose forever loop because LED blink continuously blinking many times. So it is a continuous process. So select forever loop. Then go to pin option and select set digital pin output as high. Now in Arduino, pin number 13 is internally connected with LED as well as you can connect with externally through LED pin. So change the pin number 13. Now click on high. It has two options. First high, it means LED will be on. Second low, it means LED will be off. So first select high means LED on. Again go to control and select wait for 1 second. Now we can change the time while coding, or we can change the pin number 13 also as per requirement. Now duplicate it. So set digital pin number 13 output as a high means pin number 13 से output जा रहा है LED को 5 volt current. LED will be on for 1 second. After 1 second again loop goes to set digital pin number 13 output as a low means LED will be off. LED will be off for again 1 second. So connect it. The coding part is over. First when Arduino start up means following instruction will be run after starting Arduino Uno. Forward loop means continuously loop will go. Set digital pin number 13 output. Pin number 13 से output जा रहा है. High means LED will be on. Wait for 1 second means LED will be on for 1 second. And second, set pin number 13 output as low. Low means LED will be off for 1 second. It will continuously blink. LED will be on for 1 second, LED will be off for 1 second. Now we will start practical.
For this project, it required USB cable, then Arduino Uno, then some LED parts. Now start assembly. This is LED parts. It has two leads. One is positive, another one is negative. Long one is positive and short one is negative. Long one LED leads connect with pin number 13 of Arduino Uno, and short one connected with ground, that is earthing pin. Now I will connect it. Okay, first part is complete. Now second one, connect USB port to the Arduino Uno, and one side connect with laptop. Now coding part is over. First connect mBlock with Arduino Uno, connect it, tick show all connection devices, COM11, and connect. Now next part, upload the code. It will uploading. When uploading completed, then LED will be start blinking. You can check it, LED will be blinking. LED turns on for 1 second, LED turns off for 1 second. We can edit the code. Please check. Pin number 13 output is high, pin number 13 output is low. High means on, low means off. We can change the time 0.5. Now again upload the code. Code is uploading. Now check. LED turns on for half second and LED turns off for half second. LED continuously blinking for half second. It is very simple one.